Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we will be creating the notification microservice module. Okay, so for that, you have to create a module. Just right click on the bank repo, go to the new, create a module. Okay, so I'll be giving the API name as a notification service. Notification service. Okay, so this is the module, and I'm using Java as a language and Maven as a build type, and I'll be using the group ID bank, and it is notification, not notification. It's notification. Okay, notification service, and the package name is not project name. Package name is arm.nsk dot. That's fine. Click on next, and I'll be using the Spring Web now to work with Spring Boot. Okay, so and I'll be having the Spring Mail as well. Right. For mail, I'll be having the mail java.io.sender sends email using the Java mail and Spring Frameworks Java mail sender. That's fine. So we will be using the mails to communicate. We will be using mails to send the notification actually. Whenever there is a transaction is happened, so we will be sending a mail alerts to the customers. Okay. So for that, I'll be using this Java mail sender as the dependency. Let's add one more dependency. DevTools is the dependency which I'm going to add. Okay, DevTools. So I'll be adding directly DevTools. Okay, you can see the DevTools is there. So DevTools provide faster application restarts, live reload, and configurations for enhanced development experience. Okay, fine. So now next what we need Lombok as well. So let me add Lombok. So we will be using Lombok. So we will be using the Java annotations library, which helps us to reduce the boilerplate code. We will be generating some citizen getters, right? So instead of doing that, we will be using the Lombok annotations, and we will be generating citizen getters. Okay. So Lombok will be helps us to Lombok is helping us to generate citizen getters at the runtime. Okay. So let's create. So now it's taking time to create this project. It's taking time still. Okay, it's completed. You can see it is completed. It is resolving some of the dependencies, okay, downloading some of the plugins as well. Once it is downloaded, it is downloading the dependencies, downloading the Maven plugins, and it is downloading the dependencies. Okay, so it's download the dependencies. So now let me go to the notification service. Let me run as a Java application. See, and I want to run this application on the port 8084. We were using the 8083 for transaction service. Okay, so I'll say server dot port. So I'll say 8080, not 90, 8084. Cool, fine, saved. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll be right clicking on this notification service, or you can directly go here and run as a Java application or Spring Boot application. It will be starting your notification service. Let's see. Okay, it is parsing the things, and let's see what it will do. Will it create or will it throw any exception? Let's see. Okay, so it is started. The notification service is started on port 8084. Now you can access the notification service. Okay, in the next session, what I'll do is I'll be creating the controller for notification service. Okay, until then, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon, and please share the videos with your friends as well, so they'll also get some advantage on the microservices as well. Okay, so this is a completely industry standards which I'm following over here actually while writing the microservices, while creating the Docker images as well, while deploying the application to the Kubernetes as well. I'm following the standards. So you can learn, you can get some advantage. Your friends also will get advantage. Okay, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends as well. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I'll happy to help you. Thank you for watching.